Hey there, data enthusiasts! Welcome to a journey where we unlock the true potential of your data. Ever feel like you're drowning in spreadsheets? Those endless rows and columns can be overwhelming, right? Wish there was a better way to make sense of it all? Well, fret no more. The chaos of disorganized data is about to become a thing of the past. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Power BI, your secret weapon for transforming raw data into stunning visuals and actionable insights. Imagine turning those mundane numbers into vibrant interactive dashboards that tell a story. Think of Power BI as your data superhero, swooping in to rescue you from the clutches of boring spreadsheets and confusing charts. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. It's a powerful tool that lets you connect to various data sources, clean and transform your data, and create interactive reports and dashboards that tell a compelling story. Whether your data is in Excel, SQL databases, or cloud services, Power BI brings it all together seamlessly. Whether you're a marketing guru tracking campaign performance, trying to understand which strategies are working and which aren't, a sales ninja analyzing sales trends, identifying patterns and opportunities to boost your sales figures, or a finance whiz monitoring budgets, ensuring every dollar is accounted for and spent wisely, Power BI empowers you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. It brings clarity to your data, enabling you to see the bigger picture and make informed choices. No more gut feelings, no more guessing games, just pure, data-backed insights. Imagine the confidence you'll have when every decision is supported by solid data. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Power BI. This isn't just about learning a new tool, it's about transforming the way you work with data. Trust me, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with this incredible tool. From creating your first dashboard to mastering advanced features, Power BI will revolutionize your data experience. Let's get started and unlock the true power of your data together. Ready to unleash the power of Power BI? This journey will transform the way you handle data, making it more insightful and actionable. Great. Let's start with the basics. Power BI is a powerful tool that allows you to visualize your data in ways you never thought possible. First things first, you'll need to get your hands on Power BI Desktop. This is the primary tool you'll use to create your reports and dashboards. Don't worry, it's completely free for individual users. This means you can start exploring and creating without any initial investment. Just head over to the official Microsoft website and download the latest version. The installation process is straightforward and quick. Once you've downloaded and installed Power BI Desktop, fire it up, and you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Think of it as your data playground, where you can experiment, explore, and create to your heart's content. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. On the left side, you'll find the navigation pane, your trusty sidekick throughout your Power BI journey. This pane will help you navigate through different sections of Power BI Desktop. It's divided into three main sections: Report, Data, and Model. Each section serves a unique purpose and will be crucial as you build your reports. The report view is where the magic happens. You'll build your stunning visualizations here. This is where you can bring your data to life with charts, graphs, and other visual elements. The data view lets you explore and prepare your data. Here you can clean and transform your data to ensure it's ready for analysis. While the model view allows you to define relationships between different data tables. This is essential for creating accurate and meaningful reports. Now let's get you acquainted with the ribbon at the top. This is your command center, housing all the tools and features you need to conquer the world of data visualization. This ribbon is packed with options, but don't be intimidated. We'll break it down and explore the most important ones as we go along. From importing data to creating complex visualizations, the ribbon has everything you need. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and capable. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. The Power BI community is vast and supportive. There are countless resources available, from forums to tutorials to help you along the way. Don't hesitate to explore sample projects and templates. These can provide inspiration and a solid starting point for your own creations. Power BI also offers robust sharing and collaboration features. You can easily share your reports with colleagues and collaborate in real time, making it a powerful tool for team projects. And don't forget about the Power BI mobile app. This allows you to access your reports on the go, ensuring you always have the insights you need at your fingertips. Finally, remember that learning Power BI is a continuous journey. The more you use it, the more proficient you'll become. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and most importantly, have fun with it. So, are you ready to dive in and start your Power BI journey? Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your data together. Data is the lifeblood of Power BI. It is the essential element that fuels the entire process of data analysis and visualization. Without data, there would be no insights, no trends, and no actionable intelligence to drive business decisions. It's the raw material that you'll transform into insightful reports and dashboards. These visualizations help in making sense of complex data sets, turning numbers and figures into a story that can be easily understood and acted upon. The good news is that Power BI can connect to a vast array of data sources, from simple Excel spreadsheets to complex cloud-based databases. This flexibility ensures that no matter where your data resides, Power BI can access it and bring it into your analytical workspace. To connect to your data, simply click on the Get Data button in the Home ribbon and choose your desired data source. This intuitive interface makes it easy for users of all skill levels to start their data journey. Power BI supports a plethora of options, including Excel, which is one of the most commonly used data formats in businesses around the world. CSV, or comma-separated values, text files, which are great for handling large data sets in a simple, readable format. SQL Server, a powerful database management system that can handle large volumes of data efficiently. Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing service, which offers scalable and secure data storage solutions, and even online services like Facebook and Google Analytics. These services provide valuable data on user behavior and engagement, which can be crucial for marketing and business strategy. Once you've selected your data source, Power BI will guide you through the connection process. This step-by-step guidance ensures that you can connect to your data without any hassle, even if you're not a technical expert. You might need to enter your credentials or specify the data you want to import. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data. Don't worry, it's all pretty straightforward. Power BI holds your hand every step of the way. The user-friendly interface and clear instructions make the process smooth and efficient. After connecting to your data, you can preview it in Power BI Desktop. This preview allows you to see a snapshot of your data, giving you a chance to verify that you've connected to the right source and that the data is as expected. This is an excellent opportunity to get a feel for your data, identify any potential issues, and plan your next steps. You can start thinking about how you want to visualize the data, what kind of insights you're looking to extract, and how you can best present this information to your audience. Remember, garbage in, garbage out, so ensuring your data is clean and well-structured is crucial for accurate and insightful reporting. Clean data means fewer errors, more reliable insights, and ultimately better decision-making. Take the time to clean and organize your data before diving into analysis, and you'll be rewarded with more meaningful and actionable results. Section 4. Data Transformation, Cleaning Up the Mess. Let's face it, real-world data is rarely perfect. It's often messy, incomplete, and riddled with inconsistencies. But fear not, for Power BI comes equipped with a powerful set of data transformation tools to help you whip your data into shape. Think of data transformation as giving your data a much-needed spa treatment. You can use Power BI's intuitive interface to clean, transform, and reshape your data to prepare it for analysis and visualization. Need to remove duplicate rows, filter out irrelevant data, or split a column into multiple fields? Power BI's got you covered. You can perform all these tasks and more using its user-friendly interface without writing a single line of code. Power BI's data transformation features are incredibly powerful, allowing you to handle even the most complex data preparation tasks. And the best part is that all your transformations are recorded as steps, which you can easily review, modify, or even revert if needed. Section 5. Visualizations, Painting Your Data Story. Now comes the fun part, visualizing your data. With Power BI, you can transform your data from boring numbers and text into stunning visuals that tell a compelling story. Think of yourself as a data artist, using Power BI as your paintbrush to create masterpieces of data visualization. Power BI offers a wide array of visualization options, from simple bar charts and line graphs to more advanced visualizations like maps, scatter plots, and tree maps. Each visualization type is best suited for a particular type of data and analysis. To create a visualization, simply select the desired fields from your data model and choose the visualization type from the visualization pane. Power BI will automatically generate the visualization, which you can then customize to your heart's content. Experiment with different visualization types and customization options to find the perfect visual representation of your data. The goal is to create clear, concise, and visually appealing visuals that effectively communicate your insights to your audience.